the place you can do the most justice is as a judge, to give just sentences, to hear both sides and give each party their due and full consideration, and then to try to reach a sound, legal, and just decision. So I think that gravitated me most. Where I could do the most justice was as a judge. I'm Alexander Christini, County Court Judge here in St. Johns County. I handle both civil and criminal county court dockets. I also handle a couple felony court dockets, which is my drug court. These are highly addicted, high use, high need felony offenders whose addiction, whose substance use disorders have caused them not only to get into trouble with the law and be prosecuted for felonies for the use of those use and possessions of drugs, but also for those related crimes. So these folks have come a long, long way, longer than most and farther than most in getting to where they sit today.
On behalf of the St. Johns County Adult Felony Drug Court, welcome, welcome, welcome. Would you please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance?
But it's a program dedicated to to getting them into recovery and keeping them in recovery. We've got prosecutors and defense attorneys, probation officers, law enforcement officers, most importantly, treatment professionals. So they'll come to court frequently, and they'll move through the phases as they put more clean days together. It takes a minimum of a year to get through the program. Some folks take 2 or 3 years to get through. We're there to get them through. Then they reach a point where they don't want to go back to that old life. And that's where you want to get them. She engaged, participated, went the extra mile, didn't just check the boxes. Both of our graduates were like that, by the way. Really, really dedicated to the drug court program. So she's got into and stayed in a good, solid recovery. She's had success in pursuing her housing, employment, and I know you're all waiting. Yes, she got full custody of all her children, including her 1-year-old daughter that she has with her today.
Judge Christini, thank you. You know, you really care about us, and it's just nice to have a judge that cares. You know, it is, and you guys have changed my life, and I cannot be more grateful.
Our next graduate, with an incredible 693 officially measured clean days and 38 teams in a row. When we have a graduation, you were talking about the positivity of that, the reinforcement of that. We might have the officer that arrested him out there. We'll have family members out there. We'll have members of the rest of the drug court team, and of course all the other participants. And we'll have this courtroom full of supporters cheering and applauding as our graduates are telling a little bit about themselves and their journey into recovery. So it's an emotional moment and extremely rewarding. It's, like I said, the best part of my job.